Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll show you two methods to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. This works in 2025, and by the end, you'll know how to both temporarily and permanently disable it. Let's get started. The first method is the easiest and temporarily turns off Defender. Click on the search bar and type Virus and Threat Protection. Open it, then scroll down and click on Manage Settings. Here you can toggle off real-time protection and also cloud-delivered protection. This will stop Defender from actively scanning until you restart your PC or turn it back on manually. The second method is to permanently disable it using the registry editor. Be careful with this step. Follow exactly. Open the search bar, type Run, and open it. In Run, type regedit and press Enter. Click Yes if prompted. In the registry editor, expand HKEY_LOCAL_MACHINE. Next, expand SOFTWARE, then scroll down to Policies, expand it, then go to Microsoft. Right-click on Windows Defender, select New, then choose DWDR, 32-bit value. Name it exactly. Disable Anti-Spyware, with no spaces and matching capitals. Right-click on this new entry, select Modify, and set the value data to 1. Click OK, close the editor, and restart your PC. Once your system restarts, Windows Defender will be disabled permanently. And that's it. Those are the two methods to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11 in 2025. One temporary and one permanent. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick IT tutorials here on 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching.